Hello, so we continue installation ispconfig to Lightsail. So what do we do next? As you can see, we have running the hot so I will quit now. And now we must edit our configs. So we check where you see where we are. So we now ATC engine sites available. So ls, as you can see, we have three files. The configurations are engines sites. So we just open it apps.vhost. As you can see, we have the lesson to port 8081, server name, root, client, book size, this 2 megabytes, and we scroll down here. As you can see, we also see where is the socket our PGP server FPM app socks. So now we scroll down. We also uncomment our sites like phpmyadmin, Scrimail, webmail, okay, mainline and phpmail. Okay, so we close, Control X, and now we check our second file, default. Okay, so we listen on port 18. Our document file, where is the now file? HTML. So Control X, and also check ispconfig. As you can see, we listen to port 1818. Listen also to for IP4 version 6 only. We enable SSL. Where is the certificate to our server? Which protocol available? As you can see, we only bodied 20 megabytes. And we scroll down. As you can see, we have uncomment this line location, phpmyadmin, also secure mail and webmail. So we Control X. What do we do next? We check also ATC hosts file. Okay, as you can see, we have added this line. Okay, Control X, and ATC hostname. Okay, we also check ATC resolv.conf. Okay, as you can see, we have only name server and server AC2 internal. Okay, when we uncomment this file, we must restart our server engines. So we just restart our server, this command, and also reload our configuration engine files. Okay, so with the next, we also check our server file. So we go back here and menu and the configurations. As you can see, we have user VW, workers in L2. Where is the process engines run, work connections, D4 auto detect when HTTP is used, hash files, server name hash packet size to 129.8, and okay, so we just copy. Okay, so we do next. We go to our server. Okay. We hit our domain name server, which phpinfo.php. As you can see, we have PGP version 7. Server up FPM fastigi. Additional file as an engine. Okay. Okay, so we do next. We go to our server and hit this line. Okay. We hit this line. Okay, not found. Okay. So now we connect to our PGP. Okay. As you know, when we install MariaDB, we create the admin account with an added granted to admin for all our MariaDB. So why we do this? As you can see, when we type our root and we add our server, we cannot connect, access denied, or as you can see, we cannot connect to our MariaDB. So when we create admin and hit our server password, voila, we can connect to MariaDB. As you can see, we have dbs phpconfig. Okay, but when we try to use this domain, or we can try to use this domain, we cannot connect to ITTM to our ispconfig. Why? Let me do this. The first, we go to our freedns. Okay, as you can see, we have the temp0com. Okay, login, and we see how modify server. Okay, as you can see, we cannot add it ns2.time20com and add it accord A. So we just only added temp0com. Sorry, and we cannot add this line cna. Why? Because we cannot we cannot add redirections to our sites. We must create DNS server. So when you must go to our register domain, as you know, we have the time20com, and added this line glue. As you can see, we have time20com, as you can provide. Okay, changing tree like this one. Yes, so we target IP, our Lightsail. The second line, what do we do now? When we try to connect, we must use the port 8888. Why? When you come back to our server and nano edit ATC network, interfaces. Okay. As you can see, we have added this line interface config. So we just X, and now we interface D, and added this one. Okay, auto interface in a D HTTP. So we hit X, and now okay. We must add it and open the port in Lightsail. Suggest open this line in Lightsail, open TCP port 888. Okay. Why we do this? We try to connect to our ispconfig to null. So what do we do next? We open PATI, and now we hit our AP server, and when we try to connect to local address IP, and we again, as you can see, will happen nothing. So when we let this securation, remember to our authentications, okay, but now we create to null. How do we do this? As you know, our NS2 listen to port 107. Why? Let me check. etc hosts. As you can see, we have NS here, okay? So okay, let me check. I remove. As you can see, how to do this? 8081 and add. Okay. And now we come back, save, and open it. Okay, it's a standard opening party. But now, when we try to use this, and voila, we have the AP ispconfig. So now we just admin. And remember, we must put our password, and voila. Now we connect to our ispconfig. So in the next lesson, we configurations our DNS, our sites, and any tool. So thank you very much, and I'll be right back to the next lesson. Thank you.